Jesus has come all the way from heaven to earth just to meet with you. Even today, he's come for you. So if you don't know him, then turn to him and say, Lord, here I am. Come and find me. Down from his glory, ever-living story, my God and Savior came, and Jesus was his name. Born in a manger, to his own a stranger, a man of sorrows, tears and agony. Oh, I love him, how I adore him, my breath, my sunshine, my all in all, the great Creator became my Savior, and all God's fullness dwelleth in him. What condescension, bringing us redemption, that in the dead of night, not one faint hope in sight. God, gracious tender, laid aside his splendor, stooping to woo and win and save my soul. Oh, I love him, how I adore him, my breath, my sunshine, my all in all, the great Creator became my Savior, and all God's fullness dwelleth in him. Without reluctance, flesh and blood his substance, he took the form of man, revealed his hidden plan. Oh, glorious mystery, sacrifice of Calvary, and now I know thou art the great I am. Oh, I love and portion thee as long as life endures. The earth shall soon dissolve as snow, the sun forbear to shine, but God who called me here below will be forever mine. My chains are gone, I've been set free. My God, my Savior, has ransomed me, and like a flood, his mercy waves, unending love We're here this weekend to celebrate unity and to try and bring about some more unity. And I found these wonderful words to a well-known tune. It's the tune of Finlandia by Sibelius, but the words are amazing. You know, unity is not going to start anywhere until we learn to forgive our brother and our sister and our family and our enemies. Unity is not going to start until we begin to be loving and giving, just like the words of this song. Even if you don't really know the tune, listen to these words. Take these words away with you. And we shall live as one who's being forgiven. I'll walk with joy to know my debts are paid. I know my name is clear before my Father. I am His child, and I am not afraid. So greatly pardoned, I'll forgive my brother. And Lord love, I gladly will obey. I then will live as one who's learned compassion. I've been so loved that I'll risk loving too. I know how fear builds walls instead of bridges. I'll dare to see another's point of view. And when relationships demand commitment, then I'll be there to care and follow through. Your kingdom come around and through and in me. Your power and glory, let them shine through me. Your hallowed name, oh may I bear with honor, and may your living kingdom come in me. The bread of life, oh may I share with honor, and may you feed a hungry world through me. Amen, amen, amen. Be blessed, everyone. Be blessed.